How to check if your iPhone is being tracked or monitored. So, let's get started. If you hear a clicking or tapping sound during a phone call, it may be a sign that your phone is being tracked or tapped. Hearing these sounds during a single call may not be an indication of a tracked phone, but do pay attention to see if you hear the sounds across several calls with different people. And phone lights up when not in use. If your phone screen turns on when it's not in use, your phone may be detecting activity from someone attempting to spy on your phone. You may also hear a notification ding vibration despite no actual notification being pushed from your device. Phone lights up when not in use and your phone reboots on its own as well. If you do not have automatic updates set up and your iPhone just randomly reboots on its own, it could be a sign that someone is accessing it remotely. Then receiving strange text. A lot of spyware function by sending strange codes to your device via text. If you receive text containing random characters or numbers, it may be spyware attempting to gain access to your phone. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.